अप्रैल और आप अभी अपने सामने बिटकॉइन का चार्ट देख रहे होंगे जो कि 4 आवर टाइम फ्रेम पर है। और आज 5 अप्रैल को यानी कि बिटकॉइन कितने लगभग 67,000 के लेवल पर चल रहा है और आगे बिटकॉइन कहाँ जा सकता है, चलिए इसको डिकोड करने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो जैसा कि आप लोग इस चार्ट में देख पा रहे होंगे, बिटकॉइन 24 फरवरी को एक लो बनाकर कैसे अच्छा खासा हमें एक बुलिश मोमेंटम दिया है। एंड आफ्टर गिविंग दिस बुलिश मोमेंटम, Bitcoin has fallen from this level of 76,000 approximately, fallen again after falling out, giving a bearish action. Bitcoin here, as you can see here, Bitcoin again induced sellers breaking out this low. When Bitcoin broke out this low, sellers are induced, sellers took out their positions, made their positions, and after it induced sellers, Bitcoin induced sellers, it again given us a break of structure at here at this level. You can mark it as a BOS. Signaling a bullish price of action. Here market has broke out this previous low, and therefore we can conclude that the market is giving us a bullish price of action. And after giving this bullish price of action, the market which here market which induced sellers at this level earlier, it trapped these sellers at here. How? See, when market given us a when market took out this low, sellers sellers would have taken their positions, and after they have entered the market, they probably set their stop loss above this low, and after the market induced sellers, the market clearly, as you can see here, kicked out the sellers out of the market, and those sellers are finally out. And after kicking out those sellers out of the market again given us a downward movement, as you can see clearly, a huge downward movement. And after giving this movement, again market taken up a pullback here, leaving this high intact. Means the market didn't broke out this high, this previous high. Market respected this high. This shows us, this indicates us only one thing, that sellers again entering positions here, because market didn't broke out this high. So seller, it's clearly indicating a bearish price of action, and retailers are entering here. Similarly, like previous one, here keeping their stop loss here. So we can conclude that here is a bunch of liquidity we can spot and we can target. And after moving forward, we can see clearly when market given us this huge downfall movement, this movement, market taken out this low here. Let me mark it as a break of structure. Market taken out this low. So we can conclude that sellers are heavily induced in this particular zone. In this particular zone, we can conclude that sellers are heavily induced because there are many reasons. Market is following a bearish price of action, sort of price of action. Market has taken out previous low, giving us a bearish call, and market highs are also intact. Market didn't break out this high, this previous high, and market respected this high. Therefore, we can conclude that sellers are heavily induced in this market. And because sellers are heavily induced, there is a bunch of liquidity. We can target this liquidity for our future level, and we will only target this liquidity if you can see here. If I can zoom out on 1 hour time frame. After giving out this low here, market again followed a pullback and again followed bearish price action and given out a new low. So again inducing sellers and giving this low. After giving this low, market followed an upside channel and reached in this level where I said you the liquidity is intact. So here market induced buyers also because market is not breaking out these lows. So in this zone you can see that price didn't broke out this low. As you can see, price didn't break out this low. It respected this low one times, again second time. This is indicating that buyers are entering in this zone, is in this red zone. It means that this zone also holds a bunch of liquidity, यानी कि यहाँ पे बायर्स की बहुत सारी लिक्विडिटी है. इस जोन में बायर्स की लिक्विडिटी है और ऊपर वाले जोन में सेलर्स की लिक्विडिटी है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? What are we gonna do is we have to wait. We will wait until this price takes out this buyer's liquidity at this red zone, breaks out this low. When it will trap these buyers, it will kick out these buyers from the market. We will enter here. Our stop loss will be below this zone, just this candle, below just this candle, and our target will be sellers liquidity here. We only target liquidity. We will only enter after liquidity taken. Our whole trade will be based on the liquidity, retailers liquidity. So hope you have understood whatever I have told in this video. This is not any tip to buy anything. I have just shared my analysis, and this is only for educational purpose. If you like this video, please do a like and leave a comment. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.